Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back dear friends my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. Hopefully friends you will be fine spending a good and lavish life. I introduce new and great crochet thinking ideas. So friends let's come. I shared with you new and great crochet thinking ideas. Let's come dear friend and I shared with you new and great crochet thinking records ideas. I introduce in this video a great crochet thinking ideas which are most beautiful and are attractive to each other. Hopefully friends you will enjoy these great crochet thinking ideas. Let's come dear friends, I shared with you with a great crochet top designs and these crochet tops are very beautiful. Crochet top design in this video I shared with you in this video. So friends subscribe my channel, like my ideas which I shared with you in this video. And you like my ideas which I shared with you in this video, subscribe my channel, like my ideas which I introduce in this video. These are very beautiful and complement to each other. Hopefully friends you will begin different type of thinking ideas which I shared with you in this video. Thank you so much friends to enjoy my ideas which I shared with you in this video, because it's are very beautiful and I introduced in this video are completely different to each other. You will begin different type of thinking criteria which I shared with you in this video. So friends subscribe my channel and which ideas which I shared with you in this video are more attractive and are different. Thank you so much dear friends to watching this video at the last. Next time I will meet you with a new and great crochet idea.